Hello, Ella. It's Erica, your piano teacher. I'm sitting here with my friend Leo the lion. Leo likes to relax and just sit around under his favorite tree. And when he's sitting, sometimes the bugs try to swarm in and bother him a little bit. So the other day, he was sitting under his tree and a fly started bothering him. And so he swished and flicked his tail and got rid of the fly. So that's one of the great things about lions' tails, is that he can swat flies away with them. And he made a song about it. Swish and flick that tail, swat that fly away. All right, let's learn the song. We'll put Leo the lion over here next to the music. Okay. Hopefully he doesn't get in the way too much. Having a little bit of trouble sitting him down here. Here he is, right next to Mr. Lizard over here. In fact, he'll sit on his lap. He's not going to swat Mr. Lizard with the fly. Are you? Are you, Leo? No, he's a nice guy. Okay, here's Miss Froggy over here. Whoops, I need to turn my piano on. Okay, so before we learn this song, let's give it a listen. Swish and flick that tail. Swish and flick that tail. Swat that fly away. Swat that fly away. Let's take a look at the notes in this song. We have C's, D's, and E's on these first two lines. Hey, Ella, can you find a C on the piano? Find a C. Great, you remembered how. You go to the two black keys, and a C is right next to them on the white key. Here's one C. Can you see a C down here? Nice. And how about a C down here? Are there any more C's? Nope. But there's some up here. Maybe Leo the lion can point to one. Let's do it with his foot, though. He's good with his feet and his hands. Okay, here's a C right here, right? Because here's the two black keys. And another C. Here's two black keys. Leo, your legs are getting in the way. Whoa. Careful. Okay. What other notes do we have? What other letter name note can you see in our song, Ella? We found a C already. What's this? That's a D. Let's find the D's. Well, if C is right here, D is the next letter of the alphabet. So you just move one white key up that way to the right, and that's a D. Another way to tell where a D is between the two black keys. It's the white key in between two black keys. So here's a D. Let's look for another D. Here are the two black keys. So there's that note right in between it. Find the D's on your piano. Here's another two keys. And there's a D in between them. How about up here where the high notes are? Leo's legs are getting in the way again, but here's two keys and the D in between them. Let's try one more exercise and find all the E's. Let's start at C. Here's C. And if you just go up the alphabet, D, E. here we have an E. So an E is the white key on the right side of the two black keys. Here's an E here. Can you find an E over here, Ella? Here we are. Here's the two black keys. The one above the two black keys. How about here? Here's an E. Find all the E's on your piano, Ella. Here's an E right here. Okay. Let's do the first two lines of the song. So it goes E, C, D, D, C. And then the same thing repeats again. E, C, D, D, C. Okay, so it goes like this. Swish and flick that tail. Swish and flick that tail. This song's a little bit different from our other songs because it starts on E. The rest of the songs that we've learned usually start on C. But this starts on E. So you find the E. E, C, D, D, C. E, C, D, D, C. All right. And if you can play that much, go ahead and try with your other hand. And you should do that with any song that we play. Play it with one hand and until you can do it, and then play the same song with your left hand. Swish and flick that tail. Swish and flick that tail. Another thing that's a little harder about this song is you go straight from E down to C. Right? You start on E, but then you skip this key and go all the way to that one. Swish and flick that tail. Swish and flick that tail. Okay, Leo's song is a little bit longer. We have this next part. Swat that fly away. Swat that fly away. So for this one, you have to go all the way to G. Can you find a G here? You can start on C, if you remember how to find C. Here's the 2. Here's C, and you can count up the alphabet. C, D, E, F, G. Here we are on the note G. One way you can help is if your parents can put little stickers on the keyboard that says what letter the key is. Anyway, here we are on G. So it's going to be G, E, F, F, E. G, E, F, F, E. So the words are, swat that fly away. Where is that tail anyway? We want to get it near the music. Let's bring that tail to the other side. Move that tail over here, Leo. There's a fly on the music. Swat it away. Okay, here's the whole song. Swish and flick that tail. Swish and flick that tail. Swat that fly away. Swat that fly away. And here's a little bit of my hand doing it. Swish and flick that tail. Swish and flick that tail. Swat that fly away. Swat that fly away. All right, and that's the song for today. Do you remember anything about which note is longer than the others? Is this note longer than these notes? Well, yes, it sure is. You heard the song. When the note is not colored in and doesn't have a line coming from it, it's much longer than these notes that are colored in and have a line. All right. Well, now Leo's going to help me hold the phone. Whoa, whoa, watch it, Leo. Leo's going to help me hold the phone while I play a little part of a song for you. Okay, let's see. Let's see how he can help us here. He's going to sit over here with Miss Froggy. She's going to help. Right, see, here he is. Okay. And then we're just going to hope that you can see a little bit. Okay, and I'll just play a little bit of a song for you. Whoops, I made a mistake. That's just another fun song that I like to play. Hopefully you're having fun playing as well. Say bye-bye, everybody. Leo says bye. Miss Froggy says bye. And little Mr. Lizard. See you next time, Ella.